Okay, welcome my dear student. Exercise 9.9 question number 1. Now we are going to find out the volume of a solid obtained by revolving a area about n on axis. It may be with respect to x axis or y axis. The first question is find by integration the volume of the solid generated by revolving about x axis, the region enclosed by y equal to 2x square, y equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Listen, x square equal to y, again parabola open upward. So we are rotating with respect to x axis. So remember like this, we are rotating with respect to x axis. So we may get a curve like this. So it is here, it is in the 2 dimension. So we can't get the 3 dimension. Just imagine my dear student, if you rotate we get a 3 dimension. It is like a funnel like shape. Our aim is to find out the volume. Okay, so here y equal to 0 means obviously x equal to 0. So limit is 0 to 1. So volume is obtained by the formula with respect to x axis means integral y square dx. With respect to x means pi y square dx, integral a to b by y square dx. Here pi integral limit 0 to 1. Okay, so y square, y is 2x square, y square means 4x power 4 dx. 4 pi is a constant, x power 4 integration, x power 5 by 5 limit 0 to 1. If you put 1, we are getting 1 by 5, 4 pi into 1 by 5, lower limit 0. So okay, the volume is 4 pi by 5 cubic units. You can put cubic units. The problem may be look like difficult, but the answer is very simple. With respect to x means pi into integral y square dx. With respect to y means pi into integral x square dy. Simple one. The second question is find by integration the volume of the solid generated by revolving about x axis, the region enclosed by y equal to e power minus 2x. Okay, so y equal to e power minus 2x, y equal to e power minus 2x, and between y equal to 0, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Okay, so listen, the curve, remember e power x is curve, it is asymptotic to the base 1. Okay, x axis, listen, so this is the curve y equal to e power minus 2x. So if we revolving about x axis, so we may be getting similar to this one. Again it is a funnel shape. Our aim is to find out the volume between x equal to 1 and x equal to 0. Again the limit is 0 to 1. Okay, so required volume equal to pi integral, okay, a to b y square dx. So integral pi limit is already given 0 to 1. Okay, so put the limit 0 to 1, the pi 0 to 1, y square means e power minus 4x dx. So pi into e power ax integration, e power ax by a, here a is minus 4. So e power ax by a, limit 0 to 1. So pi by minus pi by 4. Okay, put 1 e power minus 4, okay, minus e power 0. Okay, so minus pi by 4 e power minus 4 or e power minus 4, it is e power 0 is 1. If you multiply inside, pi by 4 into 1 minus e power minus 4 cubic units. So this is the volume for the given region. Question number 3 in the exercise 9.9, find by integration the volume of the solid by revolving about y axis, the region enclosed by x square equal to 1 plus y and y equal to 3 and y equal to 3. So look at here, x square equal to y, again parabola open upward. Okay, but if you put x equal to 0, we are getting y equal to minus 1. So parabola passing through y equal to minus 1. Parabola open upward but passing through minus 1. So here y equal to 3. It is given in the question. Okay. So listen. They are going to revolve about y axis. So if we revolve about y axis, okay, so we get a 3-dimensional shape. Our aim is to find out the volume. Okay. So if you put x equal to 0, y equal to minus 1, and this is minus 1, y equal to minus 1. So we need to integrate between minus 1 and 3. So volume with respect to y axis mean already said that. So x square dy. So pi integral minus 1 to 3 x square is 1 plus y into dy. So pi into y plus y square by 2. Integration is very simple one. Okay, now put the upper limit. So 3 plus 9 by 2 minus lower limit minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so if we use it here, what we are getting, pi into what we get, 3 plus 9 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so 3 plus 1 4, 9 minus 1 8 by 2, again 4. Okay, so 4 plus 4 8 pi cubic units. So that is answer for question number 3. So question number 4 in the exercise 9.9, the question is the region enclosed between the graphs of y equal to x and y equal to x square, okay, is denoted by r. Find the volume of the generated when r is rotated through 360 degree about x axis. So listen, x square equal to y, parabola open upward, okay, and y equal to x, this is the straight line and this is the parabola, y equal to x square. So this region is r, this is revolved about x axis. We need to find out the volume of the rotation. Okay, so for that one we need the limit. If we equate this, x square equal to x square minus x equal to 0, x into x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 0 or x equal to 1. If you put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. If you put x equal to 1, y is also 1. This point is 0, 0 and this is 1, 1. Okay. So here we are going to revolve. This is about x axis. So just imagine, no need to draw the diagram. Okay. So we need to find out first the volume obtained by the rotation of this curve alone, y equal to x, between these two limits, and find out the volume obtained by this curve y equal to x square revolving about x axis. Then the subtract second one from the first one, we are getting the answer. Okay, so the required volume is equal to, okay, pi integral 0 to 1 by the straight line. So pi y square dx. Illa y vandu the next above, up. Okay, so remember, minus pi integral 0 to 1 y square dx. Inga y vandu y lower. Okay, so pi integral 0 to 1, what is that, x square dx minus pi integral 0 to 1 x square the whole square, x power 4 dx. Okay, so pi, if you want you can take pi in common, x cube by 3, the same limit here, minus x power 5 by 5, limit 0 to 1. So pi into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. We take LCM, 5 into 5 minus 3 by 15. So 2 pi by 15 cubic units. So that is the answer for question number 4 in the exercise 9. Question number 5 in the exercise 9.9. Find by integration the volume of the container which is in the shape of a right circular conical frustum as shown in the figure. So look at the diagram. Okay, so our aim is to find out the volume of the container. So look at here, the bottom radius is given as 1 meter and the Wow, this is given as 2 meter and the height of the frustum is given as 2 meter. Okay, our aim is to find out the volume of the conical frustum. So just extend this one and assume a cone. Okay, so right circular cone. So imagine this is y axis and x axis. Okay, y axis and this is x axis. So look at here, what is given this? It is 1. Okay, so we need to find out the equation of the line joining. So how can we get this one? So totally look at here, this point is to get the conical cone, we need to rotate this equation of the line with respect to y axis. So our aim is to find out the equation of this line. So consider this one, this larger triangle and this similar triangle, this smaller triangle. Both the triangles are similar triangles. If we apply the similar triangle property, ratio between the sides are equal. If this value is not known by us, if we take x and this ratio property x by 1 equal to, this is x plus 2, x plus 2 by this 2. Okay, so simplify and solve, we are getting x equal to 2, 2x equal to x plus 2, so x equal to 2, we are getting x equal to 2. So this value is 2 plus 2, 4. So this is 2 means this point is 1 comma 2. So this point is 2 and 2 plus 2, 4. This point is 2 comma 4. If we rotate the equation of line joining of the points 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 4, we get the volume of the total thing. Okay, volume of the total cone. So to find out the particular, we need to integrate between 2 to 4. Okay, so first to find out the equation of line joining of 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 4, apply the formula y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So y minus 2 by 4 minus 2 equal to x minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, so if you apply that, what we get? Y minus 2 by 2 equal to x minus 1. So y minus 2 equal to 2x minus 2. Okay, so 2 minus 2 cancel. So y equal to 2x or x equal to y by 2. Okay, so volume of the frustum, okay, volume of the frustum equal to pi integral between 2 to 4, y limit 2 to 4 x square dy. So pi integral 2 to 4, what is x square? Y square by 4. So y square by 4, constant, keep it outside. So pi by 4 into y cube by 3, limit 2 to 4. Now pi by 4, put the upper limit. Okay, 4 cube, that is 64 by 3, or you can take 3 outside. So it becomes 12. Okay, 64 minus 8. So pi by 12 into 64 minus 8. So 56. If you want, you can cancel by 4. Here 3 times, here 1 times, 4 times. So 14 pi by 3 cubic units. So 14 pi by 3 cubic units. So last question, that means question number 6 in the exercise 9.9. A watermelon has an ellipsoid shape which can be obtained by revolving an ellipse with the major axis 20 centimeter and minor axis 10 centimeter about major axis. Find its volume using integration. So we can assume the first type of ellipse. So the major axis length is 20. So here given 2a equal to 20, a equal to 10, and the minor axis length is given as 10, 2b equal to 10, b equal to 5. So this is varies from minus 10 to plus 10, and minor axis varies from minus 5 to plus 5. So consider the equation of the ellipse. ellipse first type, okay, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here a square x square by 100 minus y square by 5 square 25 equal to 1. So we need to integrate with respect to y. So find out y square value. So y square by 25 equal to 1 minus x square by 100. Okay, if we take else, if we cross multiply, y square equal to 25 by 100 into 100 minus x square. Keep this one. Okay, so we are going to rotate with respect to major axis. Okay, so half of that one, instead of rotating the whole thing, so find the first quadrant and multiply by 2. Find out the area of revolution in the first quadrant, area in the first quadrant, multiply by 2 and imagine. Okay, so here the required volume is equal to 2 times integral, we are only in the first quadrant, 0 to 10, okay, y square pi y square dx, okay, so 2 pi integral 0 to 10, okay, y square value, what is that? If you want you can cancel 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 100 minus x square dx. If you want you can cancel 1 times 2 times, so pi by 2, so integral 100 x minus x cube by 3, limit 0 to 10, lower limit not needed, just put the upper limit. Okay, so pi by 2 into put 1000 minus 10 cube, so 1000 by 3, lower limit 0, it is 0. So pi by 2, take the LCM, 3000 minus 1000, 2000 by 3, so 2 cancel, 1000 by 3 pi cubic units. So that is the answer for the last question in the exercise 9.9.